What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. The crazy thing about filming stuff like this is you get people looking at you and it's crazy, but it's dope. It's a dope vibe. That being said, if you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to it. Currently heading to SF State, about to link with my brother and a couple of his homies, some bike homies to be exact. So being the nice brother that I am, I've let my brother use my car. He drives it every now and then, and sometimes he takes it to class. Well, there goes one of the homies flying by. We got the homie Stanley up ahead, R6, the Yamaha. Okay, now honestly, I don't really know too much about bikes. I like them, don't get me wrong. I never really got into it. Being that, you know, a bike is a bike, it's a lot different from a car. The platform's different, but they're beautiful and they're quick for sure. Don't get me wrong. We just pulled up SF State, R6 pulling up. That shit is gorgeous. That shit is nice, bro. But yeah, we got two bikes right here. The so-called proclaimed fast driver right here, NASCAR driver. Yep. The assistant. That guy Kevin's, this guy's the best driver out here. He's gonna be the one driving. And then we got a couple more boys over there with the bikes. We got the homie over here. Yes, sir. Gonna let the bikes warm up and everything and then go from there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I was riding back to the gym on this one. And I revved that. Nah, this is gonna look hard.
This is gonna be sick.
That was late at night? Yeah. I was pulling up too. Huh? I was pulling up there.
Literally taking over right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's another one hidden over there. Oh, 6 right there. Damn. It's a straight meeting right now. Class is in session. So you guys see, we're already rounded up and we already got the homies keeping an eye out. They're already calling for backup if anything. Shit. But we're gonna get a move on real quick. The driver right here. That boy.
The best.
The best of the best out here. Got a whole escort. This is like Fast and the Furious size vibes when all the bikes pop up. I don't know if you guys know that scene I'm talking about, but this shit is sick, man. I got all the boys behind me. We chilling, vibing right now. Haha, cruising with the homies. not gonna lie, these bikes are quick, man. These bikes are quick. That shit's quick, bro. That shit is quick. Right on, bro. That shit is quick, bro. Like I said, yo, bikes is just no joke, man. This shit's wild, man. We're gonna roll back. Might get a couple clips. If we get some rolls, we'll get some rolls. But as of right now, we're gonna steady cruise back, enjoy the ride back, and go from there. Cute ass fool. That boy. I'm telling y'all, we right now deep. Fast boys over there for sure. One thing I know for sure, bikes are no joke. The weight to power ratio is insane. Like homeboy was telling me the R6 weighs like 400 pounds. I know some homies that can bench that, you know what I mean? But overall, bikes are just different league. Would I get one? I don't know, man. I got mad respect for any biker, if not all bikers that ride, you know? That shit's no joke. Hey man, why'd you have to bully me? Why'd you have to bully me, man?
I did it, I'm sorry, bro.
Come on, man. Go easy on me. We are closing out the vlog. That being said, one thing I learned today is 1, R6s are quick. 2, I need to put my drag pack on because running without a drag pack is not it. No grip whatsoever. Closing off the vlog, gonna get some Starbucks with the boy Johnson. He's gonna close it out for us, so let's get it. Closing out the vlog, bro. Some Starbies. We got the barista in town. Let's get it. Did you guys know after what? After some polls, some Mexico runs, we stay hungry, bro.
We get some Starbucks.
We get some Starbies. That being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and what?
We love y'all.
We love y'all. We love y'all. Subscribe and keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one. Peace.